4. Oh my gosh. 5. What is going on? 6. It worked. What? This is actually working. It's actually frozen. So you probably clicked on this video because you're bored. And there's only so much you can do besides picking up trash and cleaning your room. But today, Alan, what are you doing?
I'm picking up trash.
Alan. But today we're gonna be showing you guys some really cool and fun stuff you can do when you're bored at home. Okay, so this is actually a really cool hack that you can do when you're bored. You can actually watch YouTube videos.
Which one of us do you think is cuter?
Alan.
Okay, then if I had to.
Okay, our YouTube videos. But on a real note, here's actually a cool hack that you can try with your TV. Alright, so for this hack right here, all you're gonna need is a straw, a TV, and you need to search up on YouTube, Tom and Jerry Invisible Mouse, and we're gonna be showing you guys a really cool illusion trick. Okay, here we go. So you wanna put it to about 11 seconds in, and then you click play, and here we go. And just with a little bit of practice, you can make it perfect like that. Okay, so basically for this hack, all you're gonna need is just your phone case, and a penny. But let's check it out right here. Oh, and apparently it spins really smoothly if you spin it around like that. That's really cool. That's actually cool. And you can go to Snapchat apparently, and if you spin it around, it makes really perfect spirals. That's so cool. We should make a cool story like that. Let's try it out. All right, so I have my phone right here and the phone case without the penny in it, and this is how it's gonna look when it's spinning right here like this. See, look, it's like, it doesn't like, you know, it just doesn't look as cool. So now we're gonna try the penny by putting it in his phone case, and we're gonna see if it actually works or not. Okay, so I put the penny inside. It needs to be in the middle. There we go. There we go. Okay, all right. Moment of truth right here, guys. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's so cool. It works. Okay, look at this. Look at the difference. 3, 2, 1. Look at that! Look how much longer mine goes for. Okay, now let's try it with the Snapchat thing. So, here we go with black screen on Snapchat, and let's try the spiral trick on Snapchat. Oh, you gotta do it lightly. You have to do it lightly. Here we go, here we go. Try this out. That's so cool! And the fact, I was applying a lot of pressure, right? But if I was doing it a lot lighter, I feel like it would come out a lot cooler, so. Whoa! That's cool! Okay, so that life hack was honestly a lot of fun to do. I would definitely recommend trying it. Like, honestly, it's simple. All you need is a penny, a phone, and a phone case, and yeah, and then you can have a lot of fun doing it. Alright, so another fun thing you can do when you're bored is FaceTime with your friends. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and FaceTime Andrew and see what he's up to, you know? Hopefully he picks up. Wait, Andrew, you know we can hear you, right? Andrew, we heard that.
Wait, I can't. Wait, can y'all hear me?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, we heard that.
It's like cutting. It's like.
Andrew, you're just. Oh my! He was still just hung up the phone on us like that. Wait, what the heck? Okay, you know what? At least we can call our other best friend. Hey, Mark. Mark. Oh! Bye. Bye. Okay, here we go. Hey, how's it going? I haven't seen you in forever. Where you at?
I never hang out with you guys anymore because you guys always clog my toilet.
Okay, alright, Sean. Alright. Hang up the phone. Talking about? Hang up the phone. Alright, now I'm gonna FaceTime one last person right here. I actually haven't talked to him. Wait, what? Okay, wait, let me call him back. It's been a few days. Wait, okay, that's kind of weird. Okay, alright, one more time. But Alex, you do realize how you can make it land perfectly every single time? Is there actually a way? Yeah, let me show you this video real quick. So you should just have that much amount of water in it, put some salt inside of it, and then it should land perfectly every time? Yeah, I don't believe it. Yeah, so basically all you need is this amount of water right here. You need a water bottle, and you want to empty it to about this much, and then you take your salt, and then you just pour a lot. Oh, whoa, Alex, you're missing the water bottle. No, I'm not. Yeah, you are. You are missing the water bottle. Oh, okay. All right, so that's pretty much all the salt we're gonna add to it. So now we're just gonna shake it up and see if it actually works. Here we go. Okay, 1, 2. Oh my gosh. 3. What the heck? Second. Wait, okay. Try it. Okay. Oh! It lands. Okay, wait. I'm about to get 4 in a row right here. 4. Oh my gosh. 5. What is going on? 6. It worked. Wait, I got 6 in a row. I can only get about 2 in a row before that. Like, here we go. Oh my, okay, wait, I'm gonna do it 5 times and let's see how many I can get in a row.
Okay, Alex, this entire video is see how fun this is and addicting? This is too much fun, but we need to move on. I would highly recommend doing this. This is a lot of fun.
It doesn't land perfectly every single time, but it does increase your chances, I want to say, by about 3 times. So try it and comment down below if it works for you. Look at that, every time. Alright, so this hack is for everyone out there who doesn't have a treadmill but still wants to work out
and get some cardio in.
All you're gonna need for this hack is just some water
and some liquid soap.
Basically what we're gonna be doing is
we're gonna turn our floor into a treadmill.
Yes, and this only works on, it can't be on carpet obviously because it wouldn't work.
Any like hardwood, wood floor, any type of like hard surface floor. And we have the perfect spot right here and we're gonna show you guys how it works.
Okay, so we're gonna be pouring the water on the floor right here.
That's too much.
That's not too much water.
That is way too much.
And now we're just gonna pour some liquid soap on it, right here, like this. And just let the magic happen. Here we go, Alan, you got it.
All right. What if I fall?
Here we go, Alan, run.
This is so cool!
Okay, wait, I wanna try it. This is cool! They're gonna scream at us. That's actually so cool. I just burned like what, like 100 calories? Yeah, I don't have to go to the gym.
I already see some weight loss.
So as you guys know, pretty much every gym is closed. And if you want to work out, you're gonna have to do a home workout. But lucky for you guys, we wanted to show you guys this really cool video that we found where you can do a workout at home by yourself with just a towel.
Okay, so in 3 easy steps, you get a towel, you roll it halfway,
fold it across the center, and then wedge it on the door, close it,
and then
you can do you can do pull-ups. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. I actually want to try it out.
Interesting. I want to see if it actually works. All right, so we have our towel right here, and the first step is you want to roll the towel up halfway. So let's try that.
Do you even know how to roll it? You're folding it.
Okay, is that like halfway right here?
This is halfway. Here
halfway, and then you do that.
Fold it in half like that. Oh yeah, and then you just hang it up like this. Okay, and then we just place it among, let's try it on this door. Here we go.
Put it up here like this.
Push it over like that.
Right here,
right in the middle. There we go. Yeah, you have to wedge it like that.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
here we go. Oh my gosh, that works.
I know.
That's cool. That's a home try. Let me try it. That's a home gym.
Show the camera. Do at least one.
I can't do one.
Try to actually do one.
Wait, you want to try this, Andrew, and see if you can even do a chin up?
Try one.
On this?
Like this.
Yeah, try it. This? I can't even do a pull up. One more. What the heck? So I'm just weak. This works. You can't even do it. What the heck? Andrew, you're making me look bad. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What are you guys doing?
7, 8. Wait, stop. Wait, man, you weren't supposed to show that angle. Okay, but on a real note, if you do want to do some home workouts, we would definitely recommend doing this. Okay, so this next hack is actually a very, very cool hack, and we're very excited to show you guys this, and we're actually super excited to try it out ourselves. Because if it actually works, then this is probably one of the coolest hacks I've ever seen on the internet, hands down. Exactly, so let's test and see if this actually works right here. So basically, you just put like a hashtag and you poke a hole in the middle of a water balloon, and apparently the water
looks like it's frozen.
Dang, there's no way this works. Okay, so basically we have all the equipment here. Oh wait, hand sanitizer. Okay, if you guys watched the last video, you would understand why we're bringing up the hand sanitizer. We mentioned we were going to give these away autographed by us. All you had to do to enter was subscribe, turn on our post notifications, and comment down done. And we're going to be picking out the winner next week's YouTube video. So, all you need for this one is some balloons, a bowl, some tape, and a pair of scissors, and a toothpick to poke it when you're done. So, first step, you put the water balloon over the sink, turn it on, and then you let it fill up. Alright, so we just got done tying the water balloon together, and we're gonna put it in this bowl right now. Alright, so I have 4 pieces of tape right here that I just cut out, and I'm gonna be placing them on the balloon. But basically, what we wanna do, you start with this, and there's the last piece of tape. Okay, so after you put the tape on the balloon, you wanna angle it to where, when it shoots out, it goes towards the sink. Take a toothpick right here, and then you stab it right in the middle. I hope this works. Oh wait, do you guys see it? It's frozen. Look at this.
That's actually crazy. Look,
this is frozen.
It's like dripping, but then it's frozen right there.
Oh my gosh. It's actually frozen. That's actually crazy. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. That's so cool! Oh my goodness!
Still frozen.
I really didn't think it was gonna work. Wait a second. That was actually so cool. Wait, I have never seen or tested anything this cool in my life before, but this actually works. I think it's called like the laminar state of flow, so that's why it appears frozen, but this is definitely worth trying out, and yeah, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so for this hack, not a lot of people know how to do this, but we're gonna be showing you guys how to do it real quick. So basically right here, you wanna click on this, and then you wanna click on all notifications. So what that does is you actually get a notification from all of our videos, so you never miss another one of our videos. You'll never be bored, and you'll always have something interesting to watch. Like, look at all of these videos. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you wanna find out if twin telepathy is real or not, click right here. And if you wanna watch another one of our videos, click right here. And with that being said, we will see you guys next time.